Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you where to find this device's specifications. To do it, open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select System section right here, then go to the About section at the bottom of the list, and here you'll find the information about your device's hardware, device's specifications right here, and Windows specifications right here. And if you want to know more about your device's hardware, you can right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then open Performance section, and by switching the tabs, you can learn everything about your device's hardware, as well as check the real-time resource usage of them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.